Hey everyone, here is for my Thursday challenge. I am a fun, charismatic, friendly person who loves connecting with new and different people and really building the friendships that I have right now and reaching out to others and just kind of continuing to build relationships. I see myself as loving, supportive, and a likable friend who is great at building these relationships and continuing to maintain them and make sure that relationships are a priority in my life. I love peopling and getting to know others. I show up energetically with new connections, getting to know new people. I am a fantastic team player, really bringing charisma and knowledge in working with team members and really bringing any of my feedback or things that I have to a group. Um, I love working with groups and really bringing my energy and getting to know and hear other people's insights. So, this is my Thursday challenge.